Alright, well, I got a no crank, no start here on the '09 Nissan Rogue. The battery's fairly new. But yeah, so it's a no crank, no start. I'm pretty sure it's a starter. Paid $90 for the starter, and always undo the battery when you're messing with the starter. So yeah, the location is on the passenger front down here, and then it's behind this cover here. So I'm just gonna pop off this cover so I can get back in there, give you a little peek here. Yeah, it's gonna be up back in there. You see it? Oop, way back in there. It's deep back in there. So just to get a little more room, I'm gonna take this cover off. You got your couple clip there that's not in there. So take that cover off. Let's give you a little more room. So this is what the new starter looks like. There's that nut right there you got to take off that's holding on a wire. So yeah, from the driver's side passenger coming in, you can see it up in there underneath that rubber boot, and you gotta use a 12. Yeah, you use a 12 millimeter to get up there. And then it's got, yeah, the 2 bolts here. So I'm using this long extension up on that top bolt. It's one of these. It's a 16 inch. Yeah, 16. One of these. 16. And then on that top one there. So I PB blasted it, and then I got that wire hanging there to the left out. So yeah, hopefully I'm on that, and hopefully I can crack it loose. Ah, shit. So yeah, you don't have a lot of room. I didn't even have to take off that other fender. I put the bolt on here to get the starter up in there. Just, you got plenty of room to feed it in there. And then line the bolts up the best you can, and then you can kind of rest it in there. So you got to put like a block of wood to rest it so the bolts hold are lining up. Yeah, have a little rest in there to line it up, and then put the bolt on your thing ahead of time, and you know, start feeding them in. Make sure you don't get that back one confused. You're taking the nut off of this front one, and yeah, I think it's a 13 then on the new one. And then you got to make sure to plug that back in, and then re-plug the battery in. Hopefully this works. Yeah, I PB blasted them. You could probably test the new starter before installing it, but I'm just going for it here.